KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
The Weather Xtreme video, this is the afternoon edition. This is for Thursday, the 5th of December. I'm James Spann. Rain returns tomorrow, then a few showers over the weekend, but the next big rain event early next week, and then we turn cold by the middle of next week. A lot to talk about, so let's go. We'll start with the upper air look. This is about 18,000 feet off the ground, troughing in the northeast. We still have a dry northwest flow aloft and a partly sunny day. This is the visible satellite view. Got some high clouds, mid to high level clouds coming in, but the low levels are still dry, and it feels pretty good. Everybody in the 60s. The cool spot, Decatur, they've got 60. Birmingham at 64. But tomorrow we'll stay in the 50s all day with clouds and rain. Around the nation, coldest air back in the northwest and the northern Rockies, but really cold air building in Canada. We'll keep an eye on that. Watch warning map, a very quiet early December day across the country. Just a few scattered winter weather issues out in the western states. We could hear some thunder tonight over Arkansas, the Mississippi Delta, back into parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. No severe weather expected. And then tomorrow we have the risk of some thunder across most of Alabama. But again, with a cool, stable air mass, there's no severe weather issues. And on day 3, which is Saturday, maybe some thunder way out west, Northern California, parts of Oregon. Precipitation for the next 7 days. Really some pretty decent numbers for the northern half of Alabama. Rain amounts could exceed 2 inches across the Tennessee Valley. For Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, rain amounts 1 to 2 inches, under 1 inch for the south. So, model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 3. Little wave coming through, and that's going to squeeze out some rain. We'll see a cloudy sky, periods of rain. Temperatures stay in the 50s, maybe some thunder, no severe weather. Rain amounts around 1/2 inch for most spots, maybe lighter amounts across the southern half of the state. We'll go to the high-res NAM at noon. Should be fairly wet at that point. But by 6 o'clock, the rain begins to thin out. So for those planning a Christmas parade tomorrow night, you got a chance of getting that in dry. No promises. There could be some lingering light rain, but probably not much tomorrow night. This is 12 midnight. Again, some patchy light rain through the central counties of the state. And then Saturday morning at 6 o'clock, the high-res NAM still suggesting some rain could be falling across the central part of the state. So when you wake up early Saturday, there could be some light rain in spots. But I think most of the day will be dry. This is back to the synoptic scale GFS at 3 o'clock, and you can see not much. On Saturday, the sky will be mostly cloudy, and I'd say we'll see a high close to 60. And we note that 1031 high over Pennsylvania and New York, and sometimes we get the cold air damming effect with that. It could be that East Alabama could stay in the 50s on Saturday. West Alabama, maybe low 60s. Let's go to Sunday, and again, there could be enough moisture for a few widely scattered showers, but really not much. A decent chunk of the day should be dry, and we start to warm up with temperatures back in the mid-60s. Now, Monday, a pretty good storm system forms. Monday, this is suggesting a pretty deep surface low just south of Chicago. Snow back in the cold sector, Minnesota, Wisconsin, upper Michigan, and a trailing front. We might see some rain Monday, but it looks like the better rain will be Monday night with a trailing cold front. That surface low should be little to the east of Detroit, with a trailing front down to Memphis and College Station, Texas. Could be some thunder with this, but again, that's not really a severe weather look. And then Tuesday, maybe some lingering light rain during the morning, and it will be colder. Areas north of Birmingham could be in the 40s all day with a pretty good north wind. That's a really cold air mass coming down the pike. And then by Wednesday, we're going to be pretty cold. We'll be in the 20s Wednesday morning to start the day. The high Wednesday, 47 to 51. The sky should be sunny. These are the anomalies Wednesday of next week, and it's really cold up north. They could see some minimum temperatures down to 20 below Fahrenheit up there in that kind of air mass. This is a week from today, Thursday the 12th. The flow begins to veer back to the southwest. We have rain off to the west. This is Friday the 13th, the GFS depicting a surface low coming through here with a good chance of rain. So the end of next week at this point looks wet. The European a little faster with that wave. It's got the rain pushing on by Friday afternoon, but still one way or the other, A pretty good chance of rain at the end of next week. And this is out 10 days, Sunday the 15th, a very deep trough over the eastern states. And again, that's some cold air coming down the pike. We got a series of these cold air shots, and this is suggesting maybe a few flurries down into parts of Kentucky and Tennessee if this verifies. You see, rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The member is kind of all over the board. The mean, that's what you're looking for, the green line, a little under 3 inches through mid-December. And the numbers, and you can see, generally speaking, temperatures look to be below average through December 20th. Number of days with highs in the 40s and lows down around the freezing mark. So looks like multiple cold shots are on the way. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.